Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today we are in Amezaiku in Asakusa to learn about the very traditional candy making art form called Amezaiku. Basically, there is a type of candy called mizame, and they heat it and mold it very quickly into these beautiful, beautiful shapes and essentially artwork. As you can see behind me, we have shapes of goldfish, dragons, cats, dogs, all kinds of shapes, but they all need to be molded within 2 to 3 minutes. Very quick. So today in this episode of Challenge Shizuka, we're gonna see if I can actually do one of these in a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. It sounds very, very difficult, so don't judge me too hard, but let's go ahead and get started.はじめまして、私しずかと申します。
はい、鷲津と申します。よろしくお願いいたします。私はですね、こちらの花川戸店の店長をやっていまして、主に体験教室を見ています。で、あとは材料の仕込みをしたりだとか、そういうものを担当してます。はい。
なるほど、はい、じゃあぜひ今日もAmezaikuを教えていただけたら嬉しいです。
はい、よろしくお願いします。はい、で今こちらにある飴が常温だとカチカチの硬い飴を鍋で熱してこういうふうにドロドロの状態に溶かしています。今日はこれが固まるまでの約 2,3 分の間にうさぎを作っていただきます。はい、で 2,3 分で固まってしまうんですけど、とっても熱いです。で今だいたい90度ぐらい鍋の中で90度ぐらいあります。でハサミちょっと大きくて怖いかもしれないんですけど、下の方を持ってしまうと刃先が不安定になって暴れてしまって自分の手を怪我してしまうので、絶対にこの上の方を持って使うようにしてください。切るときは開いている状態で一気にスパッと切るようにすると大きい部品が切れるので、開いている状態で一気にグッと力を入れて切るようにしてください。そうです、そうです。はい、わかりました。で最初の形はちょっと作るのが難しいので、ここまでは私が作りますので、耳を切るところからいきます。はい、でまず斜め上に顔になる部分優しく持ち上げて、はい、で背中に2箇所山を作ってあげます。でこの山の部分が耳になります。で前足を作っていくんですが、この時もこうどんどんだれていっちゃうので、逆さまにしてだれすぎちゃった時は一瞬触ってグッと元に戻すようにしてください。で丸い尻尾ができたらやっとここから両手を使って形を整えていきます。でこの状態だとまだちょっと太ってるような感じです。で耳の付け根はしっかりと細くしてあげます。まず6箇所切ることを目標にチャレンジしてください。もうどんどん固まっていっちゃうので、はい、でこんな感じで。まだ中心の方は厚くて柔らかいのでちょっと動くんですけど、もうカチカチに結構固まってきてます。
So now it's my turn to give it a try. He's just molding the base of the rabbit and where the head will be. お願いします。
じゃあ
大きく。はい、so I'm gonna cut to the ears. こういう感じでいいですか？お、OK。反対側も。あ、難しい。It's really difficult. Oh, it's so thin.
この尖っているところをすぐに丸めます。
あ、手でいいんですか？はい。Okay. It takes quite a bit of strength, actually. ここか。Okay.
で後ろ足ですね。後ろ足は下に上げるようにして。でこの棒を持ってる方の親指の爪をこういうふうにしてください。
はい。
飴をまず乗せてください。
はい。
はい、
こういう感じ。
ここのかかとになるところをつまんであげます。そうです、そうです。
ここがもう多分無理ですね。
あとはもう力入れてっちゃうとどんどんへこんでっちゃうので。
あ、そうなんですか。これぐらいで。
で完成です。
はい。I guess this is the best we got. This is my rabbit. The face is looking pretty good, but the body's a little, and the feet the feet didn't quite turn out. This was probably the hardest part because it was really starting to get pretty difficult to bend, so the shape, it just wouldn't shape very well. But all in all, it does look like a rabbit, so I think we're successful. That was really cool.
本番用の透明の飴なんですけど、もともとは透明なんですよ。
おー、なるほど。
これに空気を入れていくと真っ白くなります。気泡が入ると白く見えます。
あ、すごい。すごく白くなってますね。
メレンゲとかも白身を混ぜると真っ白くなると思うんですけど、そういうのと一緒です。
なるほど。So originally the candy is a clear color, but the more that you kind of wind it up like this and put air into it, the whiter it becomes. Kind of similar to a meringue, how you whip it up, you beat it, it turns white. And this is the real candy that we're going to be molding today. Oh, okay.
でこの辺りを太く短く切ってくださいね。
この辺。
はい。
はい。で、
太く短く切って。
ここもこうかな。
でこの尖っているところをまたすぐ折り曲げて丸くします。
はい。Oh, it's pretty hard to cut. There we go. でこれを
下に曲げて
こうやって曲げるんですよね。
でかかとになるところをちょっとつまみ出すようにして、そうです。
でここもちょっとやっぱり太くなっちゃう。
で
こういう感じかな。
ちょっとだれてきているので、
はい、
一度元の位置に戻してあげて、で尻尾をハサミでつまんで丸くしてみてください。
はい。
今のうちに耳を乗せちゃいましょう。
はい。
あとは今こううさぎまっすぐ前向いてるので、
はい、
自分の好きな方向にちょっと顔を向けてあげたりとか、体をちょっとひねってあげると動きが出るので。
おお、なるほど。
こっち側に曲げてみますか。
そうですね。
はい。じゃあこっちを向いてるようにして。これで動きが出てくるので。
本当だ。
ちゃいますね。
はい。やった！ I did it! And now we're going to harden it. We're going to cool it off. Oh man! I think it kind of turned out. It was a little better than the last one because I was able to cut it more quickly. And then, yeah, I was able to mold it fast enough before it got too difficult to bend. So I think it looks like a rabbit. But we'll see what happens when we draw on it. I haven't drawn in like a very long time, so I don't have confidence in my abilities.
Were you like a doodler in school?
I was, yeah, I did like to doodle, so I don't know if I like that kind of eye. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, it has a really, really mild taste. Like it's not, you're not overwhelmed with like an apple flavor at the beginning. I had to think about it a little bit. But it tastes like the mizu ame, which is what this is made out of. It's a very, it doesn't quite taste like sugar. Sugar has a very strong, like, it'll blast you with sweetness, but it kind of takes a moment to register the sweetness. Really mild but pleasant apple taste, so I really like that. I really like having a practice one to work on because I don't want to ruin the nice one. but I kind of want it to look a little bit more artistically beautiful. So we might try just a round eye for this bunny. We're gonna go to the Honban rabbit. What do you think of this one so far? I'm not sure. I'm gonna give it an okay. Well, I think I don't wanna overdo it. Like they said, you can go crazy and like decorate it with like all kinds of different motifs and things, but I don't really wanna ruin the bunny. So we're gonna keep it simple. Are you ready for the big reveal? Here we go. Get ready for the bunny. Dun, 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 dun. I was going for a nice traditional Japanese style art look. So the eyes are very simple and the ears are kind of dotted to give it a slightly natural look. I hoped it would be natural. This one, I tried a different style with a little mouth and slightly more expressive eyes. I like this one too, but I think I want something super simple for the white bunny. So there we have it. This is my finished bunny candy. And I think I'm really happy with it so far. Yeah, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to, especially after this first disaster with the foot. That's a terrible foot. It's a very thick, flat foot. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how this one actually turned out. I think this is, yes, I'm satisfied. So maybe we can ask what our teacher, our sensei, actually thinks about this. For a first timer, let's give it a, let's see what he has to say. You know, like from what, 1 out of 10? 例えば1から10で10が一番最高っていうのから1が一番最低としてちょっと評価していただきたいんですけど、どうでしょうか？
そうですね。そしたら
The suspense.
今後のもっと上達するっていう思いも込めて今のところは8点。
おお。あ、でも結構高めですね。
結構このかかとを作ったりとか、こう先端尖ってる部分を丸めるのってすごい難しいんですけど、そういうところができてるのと、あとは絵も上手に描けてると思うので、はい。
あ、やったー。ありがとうございます。イエーイ。ありがとうございます。I hope you guys enjoyed this food experience with me. I had a lot of fun doing this, and as I mentioned earlier, it was a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. You really do need to work fast. If you guys ever come here to try it, like my advice to you would be just to snip quickly, don't think too much, and try to avoid it from setting, so you have to flip it over a lot. But yeah, I guess it's just practice. So once you do it once, I think you'll feel a little bit more comfortable with it, and then you'll know what you need to correct for the real one. So it might not look as good as the official one that they have here, but yeah, I think you can make something unique and original. And of course, you're free to decorate as you want, so it should be a lot of fun. I really do recommend this experience. If you like artsy things and you kind of want to try a really traditional Japanese food art form, then this is definitely something worth trying. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this experience. And let me tell you a little bit about Buy Food. Buy Food is a food platform that connects people through delicious food experiences like cooking classes, food tours, and tastings. It connects locals and visitors through these experiences and celebrates authentic Japanese culture. Check us out at buyfood.com, and don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on our next food adventure. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for challenges that you want me to try, make sure to leave them in the comments below. See you guys in the next video. Bye!